Jeff, I am just so pumped about this porch visit. I mean, this is the time for us to get out in the community, get to know our parents and our kids. This is awesome.
You only get one chance to make a first impression.
And our first impression better be the best.
It's going to be a great one because we're excited to be here.
This is the story of the 3 little bears. The first little bear was way too excited.
Man, I'm excited to be here. This is great.
Porch visit. Oh my gosh, this looks like a nice house. Hi.
Hey, how are y'all doing?
Coleman from Pearson.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Welcome to Porch Middle School. What are you guys up to?
We want to go ahead and give y'all our shirt.
Are you ready to come to school?
Is this for me or is it for her?
That's for your daughter. We are so excited about
You want one too? I can get you one. Do you want a shirt?
Yeah,
I
that'd
can
be great.
get you one.
That's great.
Great, man.
Okay. Hey, thanks for
Okay,
coming.
high five.
We gotta be here. We're excited.
Woo!
Are you sure you want to go to that school?
No.
Goodness gracious. Now that second bear, he was too shy.
Gosh, I'm tired.
It's kind of hot out here too, isn't it?
Is
You wore
this our
pants,
last?
too.
I know. Is this our last house?
I think so. We'll just say it is. I got some dogs. Hey, how are y'all?
Hi!
I'm from Trent Middle School. She's from Pearson, and we're just welcoming you to school and have a shirt for you. So, we'll see you August 24th.
Oh.
See you then. Bye.
Okay. Now what's going on over there? Oh, interesting. Huh, wonder what they were doing.
And this third bear, just right. And remember, I love my old school. So this is your opportunity to make sure I feel welcome to this brand new school.
Man, that last visit was great. I'm really getting excited about getting to work with all these kids and great families.
I am too. I mean, I'm just getting so pumped about this school year.
Me too. I'm sure these people are great too. We better step back where they can see who we are. Hey, good afternoon. How are you guys?
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I'm Michelle Coleman from Pearson Middle School.
I'm Jeff
Awesome.
Welker from Trent Middle School.
Nice.
And we're here doing porch visits. We're just walking around the community. Just want to welcome your daughter and you to our new school and how excited we are to have you next year.
Awesome.
I see you're in the band.
Yes.
Are you going to continue that next
Yeah.
year? Awesome. Can't wait.
Do you have any questions about our new school?
I don't. What about you? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Just ready to get started.
We have a t-shirt here for you. It's got a list of important dates that you can look at. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email us at school and we'd be happy to take care of that for you.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
All right.
Thank you guys. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Y'all
Yeah,
stay
I'm
cool
looking-
out there.
Okay.
Looking forward to working with you.
See you
Thanks.
next year.
Bye. Have a
Bye-bye.
great day.
Wow, that was really cool that they came by, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It's going to be a great school year next year.
Yeah, I'm so impressed. Let's check out your new shirt. I hope it fits.
So Jeff, we've already seen about 5 homes. So what about if this next one, there's no one there?
Well, remember, if nobody's at home, we have these great tags where we're going to make note of the date and time that we're going to return, and we will leave this on the door. And we will remember to keep notes of the houses where people do not answer. That way they can come to school later on and collect their information.
Okay, so I just need to make sure that I have the map and note on the address that this is the house that we did not go to.
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
Exactly. I don't think they're at home.
Yeah.
Let's leave a tag that we will come back on July 15th. We'll try back at about 6:30.
Sounds good.
And we'll just leave this on the door hanger for them.
Here are some other helpful tips for the porch visit. Make sure, number 1, that you carry a backpack or something so you can have all of your items in there. Items such as water. We need to stay hydrated. Also, it's the summertime. Make sure that you have your sunscreen. And then the most important are your t-shirts. Make sure that you have different sizes. I know we have a lot of mediums. You might want to gauge the size of the student to see whether or not if you know, they wear a large, medium, or a small. Also, make sure that you are dressed comfortably. It's the summertime. Make sure you have on breathable clothes, comfortable shoes, because we're going to be walking a lot. Oh, and make sure you have your shirts on.